Hey.
What's up with you?
Hello.
You look kind of. You
You
look
look
kind of
so
good.
good, Slay.
Hey, where you from? You from
Hey.
Algeria?
Yes, I'm so obsessed with American people.
Oh, come on, girl. You know I'm
And
here. I'm here.
I can speak English very well.
That's okay. I could teach you some English, man. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what
You
I'm
look
talking.
so fire.
So, can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
Have you ever tried an American sausage?
I hope so, but I don't have money.
Hey, you don't need money for that. So I can send you a sausage.
Really? I
Yeah.
can't.
Yeah,
You
why
are
not?
joking me.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, girl, how you feeling today? Huh? How you doing? Look at you.
I'm good. You? Where you
Good.
from? America.
Yeah, I'm from California. Where you from?
California. Oh,
California
nice.
love. Ooh. Yeah. How about you? You from Thailand?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Hey, I mean, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Have you ever tried an American sausage?
I live in Bahrain, and before I live in Bahrain, I have many friends of American Navy.
Oh, the Navy.
Yeah.
Did you try their
Navy
sausage?
and Army.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. I used to be in the Navy too, you know.
So I have many sausage.
E gli ho fatto fare tanti corsi in effetti.
Yeah, I used to be in the Navy. I used to be in the water like pow, 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 pow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was me. I used to be in the Navy. I was like, I used to have two guns. I'd be like, pow, 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 pow. Yeah, that's me. That's what I used to do. But now, now I only kill people
Okay.
with one gun.
So what's your name?
My name is William.
William?
Uh-huh. What's your name?
My name is Belle.
Belle. That's a beautiful name. You know what I mean?
Thank you.
You got a boyfriend, Belle? Huh?
No,
Well, you know. You want one?
John.
Yeah. Yeah. You want a boyfriend?
You want to be my boyfriend?
I mean, let me see what you're working with. I mean, yeah, maybe. I'll be that man.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
But my life is so expensive.
I mean, girl, I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you, your mama, your sister, your grandson. I'll take care of everybody, girl. You know what I'm talking about?
I'm sorry. I didn't have to take care about that.
Well, I mean, okay, damn. I ain't gonna pay for nothing then. Shit, just give me some free booty. What you talking about? Let me just get some of that booty. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
Oh, I mean, I just want to take you out to a nice dinner.
I like street food. I don't like the nice place, the nice restaurants. Like, I like street food better.
Girl, I could take you to McDonald's. It's nothing for me. Let's go. Let me take you to McDonald's real quick, man.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
Damn, how you doing, girl? Hey. Oh, you a bitch.
Why you are so black?
What you call me?
Why you so black? You're so dark.
Well, why are you so black? You're not even in the camera, huh?
I'm
Huh?
not black.
You so black you don't even want to show yourself, huh? What's going on?
Okay, let me. I'm not black.
Oh,
I'm
look.
not black.
My camera is on.
It's not on. I can see only black things. Nothing. No face. No everything. Okay.
I'm black. You seeing me?
Man,
White.
all I see is black.
I'm white.
You're not white.
I am.
You're from India, aren't you?
So what?
Well, I'm just gonna say you had some pretty fingers, girl. You know, some pretty hands.
Oh, please.
Ooh, where are you from? You're from Tunisia?
Yes.
You are so pretty. Do you know that?
Thank you. That's very nice of you to say.
Yeah, girl, first off, how old are you?
18.
You're
Soon
18.
to be 19.
Okay, well, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, shoot.
Have you ever had an American sausage before?
Oh my god. Like, you don't say that to Tunisian girls.
It's
Don't
just
say that
food.
again. Don't say that again. Because if you want to speak dirty, I will speak dirtier than you ever think.
Oh, okay. Show me. Show me. What?
No. I don't know how to speak dirty in English, but I do know how to speak dirty in Tunisian and in French.
Okay, speak dirty in French. Speak dirty in French.
Ah, alors là, tu veux que Sarah, viens parler avec moi. Il veut que je parle nasty avec lui. Yes, oui.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
Hey, man, what's going on with you? Where the bitches at? Why are you laughing?
Hi.
Oh my God. Oh, it was a female. How you doing? Yeah. So, what's your name, lovely? What's
My name is Ellie.
your name is Zari. Oh, that's a nice name. That's actually my
Ellie.
Zari.
Ellie.
Oh, that's nice. I like that name a lot. I like it a lot. So how old are you? All right.
I'm 28.
Oh, you're
And you?
28. You're perfect, girl. I'm 27. You know, I'm right there with you, girl. You know, we're like this. We're like, you know what I'm talking about. So, can I ask you a question?
How old are you?
I'm 27.
Great. Still studying.
Yeah, you know, still studying. Can I ask you a question?
Oh, great. What is it?
Have you ever tried an American sausage?
You are not him. You are not him.
No.
You are not him.
Yo.
America.
Oh shit. What the fuck? I thought y'all really cared out there. I thought y'all loved the queen and the royal family.
No, nobody cares.
Well, how do you feel about Meghan Markle then?
I don't even know who that is, to be honest.
She's your new princess, bro. What?
Oh, I don't care about her. She's a slag.
She's a slag? Is that the
Yeah.
British way of saying she a bitch?
No, it means she's a whore.
Damn. Hey, Meghan Markle,
Yeah.
bro. Motherfuckers in the UK don't fuck with you, Meghan. They think you a whore out there. But that's what's up. That's what's up.
Ah, hello.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful. Oh wow.
Ah, thank you.
Oh my God. Huh? Do you have a boyfriend?
I have a lot of boyfriends.
Well, that just means you can add another one, right?
Yes, why not?
Yeah, girl. I want to come to Algeria right now and see you. You look so scrumptious.
Come on.
I want to take a bite out of you, girl. Like, her.
Yeah, Jose. No, I don't like a bad boy.
You don't like bad boy? Well, I can be good sometimes.
No, I like a good boy.
I can be good for you, mommy. Sometimes.
Okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
But you're so far.
It's nothing. All I gotta do is call and yeah, I'll come to see you because you know I wanna. How's it going, Lily? Hey, can I sing you something that I've been dealing with a lot lately? This is a song I wrote. I wrote it yesterday because I was just dealing with pain. All right. I wanna kill my mom. I wanna kill my dad. I wanna kill my grandma. I'm still working on the rest of it, but it's just a lot of pain and stuff I've been dealing with. What do you think? Was it okay? Was it good?
I don't know. I currently have a dog fucking chewing in my arm.
I was about to ask, like, are you that tasty? That dog is not letting go. I thought I was the only one looking to eat something out here. Like, that's crazy.
What? Hold up. Wait a minute.
Huh?
Was that a no?
Yeah, I don't have a boyfriend.
Why you say it so shy like that? You know what I mean? You're beautiful. You're a beautiful girl. Of course you got a bunch of guys hitting you up, right?
Don't raise me.
I have 27 dogs, 37 cats, 2 horses, and 5 rabbits, and 3 cows.
So you're taking care of all of our kids by yourself. You don't feel like you need any help? Like, I mean, you know, I've been bad with child support lately, but I could come in and I could help you out. I got a long child support payment I've been ready to stick in you. I mean, to give you.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
I'm shaky.
Did you drink too much coffee today?
No, I have seizures, and it's the first sign, so.
Or are you practicing?
I'm smoking on Bhutanese Shadow Garden grown Dark Evil pack. They watered this with the blood of 36 dragons. Shit so purple it should be asking me, where's Ronald? Nigga, this shit will turn your pacemaker off. Nuclear levels of sour, lung slaughtering, necromancer kush. Shit got diamonds on it, so you know that THC to CBD ratio is fucking swag, nigga.
I'm practicing for a seizure, apparently.
You're really fun. I like the way you take some of these jokes. You're actually really cool energy. Oh, you find me attractive?
You'll find me attractive.
I find you attractive. I told you I find you attractive.
What? You don't know my secret.
Unless your secret is that you're secretly carrying a bigger penis than mine, I think I'm okay.
I'm carrying a child.
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number.
I want to kill my mom. I'm gonna kill my dad. I'm gonna kill my grandma. You and I are meant for each other. We're meant for each other. Look at that tongue. You clearly know how to give some gaga 3000.
Are you sure this is your first? What was it like? Sensational. Damn.
Gaga. I just recently learned how to fuck the willy bean, so yeah, I can hold something big down for 15 seconds.
Hey, you know what? Bet.
Bet on it, bet on it, bet on it, bet on it.
I'm up.
More passion, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more vigor.
I'm gonna find my matching to my sock right now.
Hey, I'm just trying to mash you, girl.
You're too far away.
Hey, all I know is She was really on my dick though.
Oh my god!
She was on my dick.
Scared the fuck out of me!
She was really on my knob, bro. She was on my knob. She was on my knob. You don't understand nothing I said, huh? You got a boyfriend?
Yes.
God. What? Alright, y'all. Shit. I'm just gonna do another one. Alright, man. Yo, YouTube. It's your boy Walt, man, and we're checking out another video. Hey, y'all. You know what it is. Wally G back again. Streaming on him. Better come through. 3 to 7 on Rumble.